We're talking about part two of what you would file in court if there wasn't a will involved. This aspect is called the application for independent administration. Before we get into the application, I want to make a distinction between an independent administration and a dependent one. Generally speaking, people like the independent administration because it allows them to wind up the decedent's affairs without having to get court approval for every action they would take. Under dependent administration, you gotta get court permission. If you want to sell something, if you want to lease something, if you want to transfer a deed, whatever, the court, you're going to have to keep on coming back to the court. And every time you come back to the court, you're paying the court a filing fee, and you're also paying the attorney by the hour to process this. Now, sometimes when there's a minor involved, the court will insist upon a dependent administration. So just to protect the minor. And so when a dependent administration is involved, you will have to, the court will have you evaluate what the estate is worth, and then they will require the posting of a bond for you to be as a condition of you being appointed as the executor. Now, to be an executor, you must be a person who is not disqualified. So if you are adjudicated as incompetent, you're a prior felon, or you are a non-state resident and fail to appoint a in-state resident, you cannot serve. But you have to, if under the independent administration, which is cheaper for it's in the best interest of the estate as well as the persons who stand to inherit. Because if you go through the dependent, all of the costs will take away from the ultimate value of your percentage share. To make sure that you're going to have an independent administration, it's important that all of the heirs consent to A, the applicant being appointed as the executor of the state, and B, as to the independent administration. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, you can contact us at www.canonlg.com. Thank you.